Hi, Emmy, honey. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, Emmy. Hi, honey. Oh, how's my baby? Come here, Emmy. Come here, Emmy. Hi, baby. Hi, honey. How's my sweetie pie? How's my sweetie? How's my baby? Yes, it's my Emmy there. Oh, Emmy, Emmy, Emmy. Emmy. Come on, let's go downstairs, honey. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Emmy. Let's go, Emmy. Come on, baby. Yeah, let's go. Come on, honey. Come on, let's go downstairs. Alright, wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, oh, hi. Okay, ready to go outside, honey? Ready to go out? Come on, let's go. Come on, Emmy. Let's go outside. Let's go. Come on, honey. Come on, honey. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Yes, it is. It's beautiful. Yes, honey. Oh, hi, baby. It's a camera. It's a camera, Emmy. Yeah. Oh, you're looking very handsome this morning. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're looking very handsome. You want to go running? Come on, let's run. Come on. Come on, Emmy. Emmy. Emmy, good girl. Good girl. Here's my Emmy. Come here, honey. Emmy, what's this? What's this? What's this, Emmy? Oh. Oh. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh. 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 Where's Miami? Where's Miami? What's she doing there? Oh my God, wow! Wow, look at her go, wow! Wow! Come here, Emmy! Emmy! Good girl! Emmy! 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 Emmy, honey! Emmy! Emmy, look. Your ball, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Look at your ball. Oh. Give me ball, Emmy. Give me ball. No, silly. Emmy.
Dad.
At least in the beginning it is.
Okay, Dave, would you like to say anything? We're recording now.
Okay, we are here at Warrenburg residence. We just had a delicious meal, haven't we?
Emmy,
Yes, we had a very good meal. And Emmy enjoyed it especially. Didn't you, Emmy?
Right.
And now we're out on their beautiful terrace overlooking the pond. Isn't the lake beautiful?
Good afternoon.
Yes, is she part
Why
of
don't you get in? Why don't you get in the picture too? Yeah, sure.
I think if I lose my job in Guilford, we're taking Annie to Hollywood to do that.
Long eyelashes.
Yes, she is long
Yeah.
orange eyelashes. Want to hold her?
Okay. Cassie. She's coming too.
Next.
Emmy.
Come on, Kathy.
Okay.
Little Emmy. Give a little kiss. Is this brand new?
No, I got it a few years ago. I just haven't used it lately until I got my baby.
Yeah.
Yes, good girl. Say thank you to Stan. Thank you to Stan for being so nice.